Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Braintree Payments, PayPal, review my developer payment integration experience. Braintree Payments, owned by PayPal, is a payment gateway service primarily aimed at developers and businesses who want to accept payments online and in mobile apps. It offers various features including support for different payment methods like credit cards, PayPal, Venmo, Apple Pay, and Google Pay, recurring billing, fraud prevention tools, and a robust API for seamless integration. Their website provides detailed documentation and support resources for developers. Braintree emphasizes its developer-friendly integration process, flexible pricing based on transaction volume, and robust security features. It positions itself as a one-stop shop for all payment processing needs, offering a streamlined approach compared to managing multiple payment processors. You can find more details and pricing information on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Braintree Payments. I integrated Braintree into a recent e-commerce project and found the initial setup surprisingly straightforward, thanks to their well-documented API and numerous SDKs for popular programming languages. I used the Python SDK and was able to get a basic integration up and running within a couple of hours. Navigating the sandbox environment for testing was intuitive, allowing me to simulate various transactions and edge cases before going live. The dashboard itself is clean and well-organized, making it easy to monitor transactions, manage refunds, and track key metrics. I was really impressed by the level of customization offered for the checkout experience. I could tailor the look and feel to match my website's branding seamlessly. The standout feature for me was definitely the webhooks system, which provided real-time updates on transaction statuses, enabling me to automate various back-end processes. Performance-wise, Braintree was consistently reliable throughout my testing, with transactions processing quickly and without issues. I had a quick question about recurring billing and their support responded within a day via email with a helpful and detailed answer. One minor drawback was the initial learning curve with some of the more advanced features, like setting up marketplace payments. It took me a little while to get used to the specific terminology and configuration options. Also, while the documentation is extensive, it could benefit from more practical examples for complex use cases. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience with Braintree Payments. While it has a few quirks, its robust features, developer-friendly approach, and reliable performance make it a strong choice for businesses looking for a comprehensive payment solution. That's my overview of Braintree Payments. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.